I'm not gonna stop eating these crackers. Ryan told me to tuck this wire in. I'm sure I ain't tucking no wire, bro. But yeah, oh, alright, you know what? No. So, 2018. Still got K2 as the title sponsor for this year again. Unfortunately, Kevin is still doing all the fab work, as you can see now. I made like little changes over the winter. Did a titanium exhaust. Well, we tried to lose a lot of weight because the car was like what? 200 pounds overweight. So like 200 pounds to lose. I'm not losing it. They're losing in the car. I did a fiberglass roof, titanium exhaust, and then all the other cool stuff for no reason. Motec keypad, Motec C127 shift light, not shift light. The display. We're doing the wiring over. A bunch of little stuff that was driving us crazy back in like 2016, 2017. Kind of like switching stuff out now, trying to update this car a little bit. But yeah, we're still getting ready for Honda Day, which is coming up in Maryland now. I forgot the date. Let me think. Hold on. I know the answer to this. It's on Instagram. Saturday and Sunday, April 7th and 8th in Maryland International Raceway. Unfortunately, they closed down Raceway Park, but I mean, the show must go on. Well, we gotta drive 2 hours to Cecil County, 2 more hours to MIR. It's nothing. I mean, not to say it's nothing, but people finding an excuse, oh, it's too far, that's mad far, blah, 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 blah. I've seen people drive to Orlando for worse events. No matter where you put a Honda Day, there's people that beg for this. Like, oh, I want to attend, but I'm too far. So now they put in Honda Day south. It gives the people down south an opportunity to come north a little bit, and well, not maybe, hopefully all the southern people, Virginia, Maryland, Georgia, Tennessee, the Carolinas, Florida got a huge car show, stands, drag racing community. Hopefully they could, take the ride to Maryland and enjoy the weekend. I'm looking forward to it because there's going to be a lot of new faces, a lot of people you just see here on Instagram. Hey, nice to meet you. Yo, I want to come out, I want to check the car, can't wait to see the car. Well, we're going to Maryland. Hopefully everybody can make it. And me and this microphone, bro. Hopefully, there's no hopefully. K2 Sport Four-Wheel Drive car is going to Honda Day in Maryland. I think we'll be at Cecil County for Street Wars also. Along with PD's car. That's going. Wee Man's car. His name is Andy, but we call him Wee Man. He's short arm, little arm. This car is going. Just twist the camera that way a little bit. He's getting a 25.5 cage right now, carbon roof, little upgrades. And I don't know if you can see like through the car. And then it's PD's car. PD's car is going too. We're rolling out, bro. What we gonna do? Stay home and cry about the track closing down? Bro, everything good comes to an end. And like I said, the show must go on. But at least we're going racing, right? What are we gonna do?